Today, we're going to do unboxing of my new Canon camera, PowerShot B10. So, I've been looking for a camera na beginner-friendly and something na would fit introverts because I'm really shy to take cameras, and I'll be having my travel soon in Taiwan, and I really want to capture that. So, I bought this camera and I'm really excited to unbox it. I actually ordered this from the Orange Shop, and it's from the Canon official flagship store, and I'm very excited to unbox it na. So what I ordered is color black. I will try to open it na. Ayan. So ganyan siya pag inopen, and then it says here rec. Wow. Ayan. So it comes with the warranty card, and then ayan. Yan yung susunod. So, sabi dito, live, if you're into cooking or into selfies or, you know, just taking a video of yourself. So, I really hope na beginner-friendly siya. And, here is the camera. But before that, let's see ano pa yung iba niyang laman. Ayan. So, meron ito. I think, ito yung, charger niya. And, this is the camera na. Ang liit lang niya, guys. Sobrang liit lang niya. So, here's the camera. And, ito yung mirror naman niya sa likod. Tapos, ito yung mga navigation buttons niya. Sobrang wala akong alam sa camera, so i-explore ko pa siya. And, let's see. Okay. So, that's how it looks. And, there is a mic port here. And then, another port then for the wire or for the charger, I think. And then, there's also the USB-C port. It says here, Canon lens 6.6 mm. What's mm? And then, f2.8. What else? There is this stand. Ito yung, I think, one na nagpa-convince sa akin for buying this camera. It has a built-in stand na you can it can make the camera stand. Ayan, parang ganyan lang siya. And then pwede din yata siyang i-twist ng ganyan. Ayan, kung gusto mo na lower shot. Ayan. So excited to use it. Sana madali lang siyang aralin. Very matte pala yung texture niya, hindi siya yung shiny. So, I think grip friendly rin siya. And then if you would like to, you know, take photos or videos while walking, ayan, so hindi siya halata. Para lang siyang phone lang na hindi nila alam na kumukuha ka na pala ng video. So, it actually comes with 64 gig micro SD na din from the Orange app. And ayun, i-charge ko muna siya, then I'll keep you updated kung kamusta siya later.